Some gears work in pairs. This one looks like a little solar system. Planetary gears pack sun, planets, and a ring into one circle, and that lets machines do things simple gears can't. Planetary gears, the gear solar system. In the center is the sun gear. Around it are the planet gears, all held together by a carrier. Surrounding them is the ring gear, with teeth on the inside. 4 parts, one system, simple pieces working together. Planetary gears change what they do depending on which part is held still. Hold the ring still and spin the sun. The planets set the carrier spinning with strength. Lock the sun and spin the ring. The carrier moves in the same direction, but at a slower spin. Lock the carrier and spin the sun. The ring turns in the opposite direction. These are just 3 examples. In fact, there are 6 different modes in total. What makes planetary gears special is how much they can do. The same set can slow things down, speed things up, or even reverse the direction, all in one system. And because several planets share the work, it's strong without needing to be big. You'll find planetary gears in many machines. In many automatic car transmissions, they make smooth shifting possible. In robot vacuum cleaners, they let small motors do big jobs, from driving the wheels to spinning the brushes. And in wind turbines, they turn slow blades into fast generator speed. Here's an interesting fact. Some washing machines use planetary gears to drive the drum. That way, a small motor can handle heavy loads of laundry, cycle after cycle. A hidden gear system making everyday chores possible. From cars to robot vacuum cleaners to washing machines, planetary gears show how one system can handle many different jobs. Next time, we'll look at crown gears, the simple way to turn motion around a corner. Until then, stay curious, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more.